It's Adya and Sarvi again.
So we are gonna do a New Year competition. It's a challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to my Manu World
And give a big thumbs up. Now, first is our eating challenge. Now we need to eat these all. Who wins? They are only the winner.
and I'll get a pack of chocolates. Yummy.
Now we have 20 papras. We separated in 10 and 10, okay?
And the competition of these, we eat the papda, not drink the papda.
Okay, now let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! First papra is done. Who is the winner?
Who is the winner? You have to comment. Sammy is the winner. I guess Sammy is the winner.
Yeah.
For me, thumbs down.
We both are winners.